Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called ProfitChat, which is a brand new revolutionary cloud-based app which includes done for you Facebook and Instagram autoresponder, chatbot and inbuilt shop builder all in one. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $999 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Welcome to ProfitChat, your one-stop social media all-in-one manager, or as we like to call it, a meta super app. So this is the dashboard. This is where you're going to see all of the statistics that you're going to need, including all of the purchases that you've received, all of the accounts you're managing. Everything is right here. Then you can add your Facebook and Instagram right here. We've created a test page and then an Instagram page as David Guetta, just for the fun of it. And if we click on them, it will lead us to these pages and we'll see all of the posts that we make right here. We have a bunch of API channels that you can use, including if you want to integrate Twitter, if you want to integrate Reddit, WordPress, if you want to have email APIs, SMS APIs, so much that you can add in ProfitChat to make your experience easier. Next up, we have the comment growth tools, which allow you to automatically reply to any comments that come through Facebook. And you can create templates here. Subscriber Manager allows you to see all of the followers that follow your Facebook page, including your Facebook or your Instagram page. And you can manage them right here once you have them. Then you have the live chat function here that works integrated with ChatGPT. So when someone's going to message you, they'll be talking with ChatGPT depending on the parameters you set right here. Then Bot Manager allows you to add a bot that has exact parameters right here. You can manage it and make sure it follows exactly what you want it to do. Broadcasting, you can broadcast to all of your subscribers or to all of your to your entire list if you have one. E-commerce store, you can create an e-commerce store right into ProfitChat, and we'll do one now just to play around with it. And then we just set some things here. Okay, and then we just create store. And now we have it right here, and we can use it on our Facebook page here and promote it, so then people will be led right to it. And we can have a look at it if we just copy it and then head on here. And this is our e-commerce store that we just made, where we'll have all of the items that we want to sell on Facebook or Instagram. And it's all integrated. You can integrate it with any payment APIs you want, so PayPal, Stripe, you name it. You can create coupons, QR codes, you can have multiple products, delivery points if you want to do physical delivery. As I said, check out settings to integrate any of the payment APIs that we have, and we have a bunch. You can modify it all here, following our training. Then, of course, it wouldn't be an all-in-one meta super app if you couldn't upload things. So let's just go ahead and make a test post for Facebook, and we'll just put and then we'll just select this one. We'll put testing 333 and then welcome to NFTs, and just post it only on Facebook. We can also post it on Instagram, but as you can see here, we already did. So I'm just going to post it. And then sure enough, if we go over to our Facebook page, we can see the post right here. We can see it's been sent 5 minutes ago. We can see it's been published by ProfitChat. And we see everything that we've added. So we see the image, we see the text, and everything is already here and published. So it's that simple. And then again, to post to Instagram, it's the exact same process. And with integrated support and training, ProfitChat is a no-brainer. It allows you to completely manage your social media apps with zero effort. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.
So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.